What's going on, guys? Got something special here. It's a 2023 G80 BMW M3 Comp. We believe this is the first one anywhere. It is a US spec, fully loaded with optional extras. And I mean that. A lot of people say fully loaded and it never is. This one has pretty much everything. So I'll start off quickly. You've got the laser lights. Has the carbon exterior package, so you've got the carbon ducts there, carbon mirror caps. Carbon roof is standard. You can opt for the moonroof, but this owner decided to stick with the carbon, of course. You've got the carbon rear spoiler and the carbon diffuser as well. Does have the shadow line as well, so you've got the black tailpipes down there. And the jet black wheels with the red calipers. Coming to the inside as well. Once more. You can see it has the curved display.
Watch the start up.
So cool.
Has the actual car with the color and everything right on there.
Amazing. Carbon bucket seats, of course. I mean, like we say, this thing is decked out. Carbon interior trim, and this is the Fiona Red leather interior. Just give you a look at those seats as well at the back. Insane. Amazing car. Now, exterior color. This was a individual color. It was about $3,600, and it is the frozen black metallic. Just give you a look from the front as well again. Also has the driving assistance professional package, so it has the adaptive cruise control there. And lane keeping assist as well. Also has the M drivers package, so it's able to go above 155 miles per hour. Also has the M Drive Professional, is it?
Yes.
M Drive Professional as well, so it has the drift analyzer, an option not many people go for, but this one has it. It was a case of tick every box. Exactly. Is there anything else that's on there that I've missed?
What can you say? Is there everything on there? Besides
everything apart from carbon ceramic brakes, which, I'm sorry, but if you get carbon ceramic brakes, you need to either live on a racetrack or be made of money, because there's just no need for them really.
Yeah.
Same stopping power, just less brake dust, and you know, just better for the track to stop brake fade. But yeah, I think if you want to do a start up, we'll get a start up from behind. 8 miles on the clock, guys. This thing is brand spanking new.
Ready?
Go for it. Wow. It is a competition and it is a X-Drive model. And just to give you a look at that screen again. Around the other side so you can get a better view. Again, Harman Kardon is standard, so there you go, you can see the screen here. Does still have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can see the M Drift Analyzer there in the top left. Navigation. So cool. And the way they've done it is really nice. Such a clean look. It's like one whole glass sheet. It's nice because you also see more of the carbon fiber there as well. They've done away with most of the controls in the center. So you've just got seek left and right, hazard lights, and then your window controls as well for the air. Digital key. I've noticed as well that it did say M3 competition there.
They don't have that thing anymore.
That's strange. So yeah, it looks like they've gone away with that on the 23. That was a nice touch. All right, so here you go, guys. The first one. Let the rest follow.